Why decluttering your luggage matters.
Packing light saves you time, energy, and stress. Overstuffed bags slow you down and make traveling less enjoyable. By decluttering your luggage, you streamline your journey and ensure you bring only what you really need. This approach helps you avoid fees for overweight bags and keeps your belongings organized and easy to access throughout your trip.
Step 1. Make a packing list.
Start by making a clear packing list tailored to your destination, itinerary, and the length of your trip. Prioritize essential clothing, toiletries, documents, and chargers. Visualizing what you need helps you avoid last-minute additions and ensures you'll only bring the most important items. Refer to the list as you pack and be honest about what you really need.
Step 2. Lay everything out.
Before you put anything in your bag, lay all items out on a flat surface. This lets you see how much you're planning to take. Group similar items together, clothes, toiletries, electronics, and reassess whether you have duplicates or unnecessary extras. This step makes it easier to spot those items you can live without.
Step 3. Use the rule of halves.
After gathering your items, apply the rule of halves. Halve the number of clothing or accessories you initially plan to pack. Focus on versatile pieces that match multiple outfits and can be layered. Chances are, you won't need as much as you think, especially shoes, which take up valuable space and weight.
Step 4. Choose smart packing tools.
Use packing cubes, compression bags, or Ziploc bags to keep your belongings organized and compact. These tools help maximize your luggage space and prevent overpacking. They also make it simple to find what you need while traveling, reducing the temptation to bring non-essentials. Organize items by category for even more efficiency.
Step 5. Do a final check.
Before closing your bag, do a final review. Remove anything you haven't used on past trips or that doesn't serve a clear purpose. Check your packing list one more time and ensure no essentials are missing. This last edit often uncovers a few more items you can leave behind, resulting in the lightest and most efficient packing possible.